Hey everybody, welcome to Keeping It Real with Marilyn and Steve. Today we'll be making a copycat of the Marie's Coleslaw Dressing mix. When it comes to coleslaw, you either love it or you hate it. I always loved coleslaw. Marilyn hated coleslaw until I perfected this copycat recipe. And she's actually the one who requested me make some coleslaw today that we can have throughout the week. So excuse any noise you hear in the background. We're also doing some canning at the same time, so it's making a little noise back there. But we'll get into this. I'll start getting this sliced up, and I'll explain what we're doing as we go. This recipe calls for 4 cups of coleslaw mix. You can either buy that at the store already done for you. Those bags of coleslaw mix that you buy are usually 4 cups. I'm just going to slice up my own mix. So I'm going to use the last of our red cabbage from this year, some green cabbage, and some of our carrots. I'll get that sliced up into a mix, measure out 4 cups, and once I have that done, we'll move on to the next part. Now that the coleslaw is all chopped up, it's time to make the coleslaw dressing. And like I said, this is a few years in the making for me to get it exact. So I wouldn't change any of the ingredients, but if you want to play around and mix things up or change some of the ingredients, something doesn't taste the way you like it, that's fine, make it your own. But as we're going to do this, it's almost exact. The side-by-side comparison, I don't think you'd be able to taste the difference. So we're going to start with 1 cup of mayonnaise. I'm not sure if the type of mayonnaise you use is that important. I'm going to be using an olive oil mayonnaise, no particular brand. Whatever you have in the house for mayonnaise, I think is going to be fine. Okay, and to that I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar, which seems like a lot, but this was actually one of the deciding factors in what made the recipe taste like Marie's. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of celery seeds, and that's not celery salt, it's not crushed celery, it's not celery leaves, it has to be celery seeds. 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And to that, I'm just going to mix in our coleslaw. Okay, and I'm going to stir that up. And as soon as I have it mixed, I'll be right back with you. Okay. Now that we have this all mixed up, I'm going to cover it and put it in the refrigerator for anywhere from 1 to 24 hours. The longer you let this sit in the fridge, the better it tastes. This will taste better tomorrow than it's going to taste tonight. But we're going to have some of this with dinner tonight. So I'm going to put it in the fridge and let it chill. It'll let the flavors really soak into the cabbage. And then once we're ready to use it, I'll show you plate it up and we'll see how Marilyn likes it.
So we're gonna have some of this awesome coleslaw with our steak-'em sandwiches tonight. And as Steve said, I never liked coleslaw growing up. It was never something that I was a fan of. He has definitely changed my mind. This recipe I love, and it's just something simple and easy that you can make at home. So now it's time for us to have some coleslaw. Taste this. Absolutely delicious. So if you have favorite family recipes or a remake of something that you would like to share with us and with other viewers, please leave a message in the comments. If you have questions on anything that you saw in this video, also let us know. And until next time, everybody, take care.
Bye. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy our videos and want to help us out, please like this video and subscribe. If you know someone who would like our videos, make sure to share, as this really helps our channel out. Again, thanks, and see you soon.